All right, today I want to do a slightly different video. And today's video is about video editors. So as you can see, I have Shotcut right here. Let me turn it on. This is a free open source video editor. I normally just do simple editing. I don't do any special effects or anything like that. I just cut pieces that are either too long, too boring, or there's nothing on there. And so this is mainly what I use. Now, let me show you what happens and the reason I started looking at other programs right now, because what I've noticed when I open a file, so this is what I've been working on. So I'm just gonna open the original right here. See the originals, they have the number. And Shotcut makes me want to convert it to an edit friendly file. And this is getting annoying because it takes a lot longer because you have to convert every one of them to whatever this can read, and then you can edit it, and then it'll compress it again. So it just takes double the time. So this is the thing that really annoyed me. So we'll just say okay for now. I'll just leave it at the desktop, say convert it right there. So we'll say yes. So now it lets me do it. Now this is where I normally go to playlist. Well, it's already there. So this is where you pull it over to the playlist, and from here I pull it down to the timeline. So several steps right now just to get started. So the other program I decided to look at, um, or one of the programs that I found, was this VideoPad editor. And I was testing it out, and it's kind of a nice program. But as you can see, it's already thanking me for trying this. And so the problem with this is that after like on the seventh edit, it already went to demo mode versions done, and basically it doesn't let you do anything else. But let me show you. I can still kind of show you the similarities on the other program and why I like this one a little better than Shotcut in this sense. So new project, and then I'm going to open the file. I'm going to do that one again just because. And what I like about this one, as I brought it in, it already puts it here. It already has it here. It's processing because it's on the other program. So all the steps that I do manually over there, it automatically does them here. So this is kind of nice. And then you can just go to the timeline here and then just cut here and then just right click, delete, just like the other one. So that's the difference between the two um, Shotcut and this one. Unfortunately, this one you can't, the trial is only like really short. Excuse me. Now, um, I was liking this one. I didn't even get to test anything else. Not that, well, this is kind of a nice program, but you get annoying to where you close it, or let me see, I'll try to save it just to show you what happens. Save as test. It doesn't matter because it won't let me. So I saved it and exported it. That's what I was trying to do. So when you try to export it, you can't. It says view pricing, enter code. So you can't do anything else after that. So let me go to their website and show you what they have. And that's the price right there. So it's not the most expensive or the cheapest, but there you go. That's what you get on that one. And that's pretty much how far I got on this program. But like I said, this is nice because you don't have to do this individually. It just automatically does it for you. So I'm done with that one. And then I'm going to show you the next one, which is CapCut right here. And this one's similar to Shotcut in terms of it's free and you can use it to edit your videos as well. And I ended up using CapCut for everything at the end, because this one allow me to create a project without having to convert. So once you go to create, which is kind of weird, that second window is kind of weird. But once you go to create, you can import the file here, and then I'm gonna do 2-1 because this one's already open on the other one, but it's the same thing. So before, remember, or I'll even go to the back here and I just do this one, just to show you that, just like the other one, even if I did this one, it'll still tell me to convert, which is already converted. So if I do this one, it doesn't tell me or ask me to convert it. The only thing, you can't drag from here, but that's okay. You have to drag from here. And it automatically puts everything in the timeline. So I can just go play, and then it starts playing here. Normally it shows everything here. There you go. So just taking a little bit because I have this open. Let me close that. But the timeline is very similar. So you can see from here to here. It's a little smaller, so I thought it was kind of annoying because I want to look closer. But the truth is, it doesn't matter because you can just pause it where you want to cut. You can see it here. So I just wish this was bigger. I don't know. For some reason, it just seems kind of weird. But the editing is done the same way. You can just go here and then splice it and then right click and delete it just like the other one. So those are the basic functions that I use a lot. But this is just another program that you can use without having to have that problem with Shotcut always asking you to convert it to something else, which is really annoying because I can't get my file straight from my MP4 file from the camera straight to here without converting it. And that just takes longer. You got to convert it, and then you edit it, and they have to compress it, and then it compresses it for a while. So it just takes a lot longer. Now, don't get me wrong, I've been using Shotcut for quite a while now, but I just found CapCut, which does pretty much the same thing. It's a little different in terms of how you save and stuff. I haven't, like I said, I haven't used any of this stuff, but just for basic editing, I just wanted to point this out. This is another option you can do. The only problem, not necessarily a problem, the only weird thing is when you're working with this program here, let me delete it. It seems like it has like all this different weirdness, like this other stuff. It's a little different, but what can you do? So I just thought I show you that because I wanted to give people an option because I found that pretty annoying. Maybe they'll fix that where you can just drop the file and put it here and here automatically, and that would be nice without having to convert it in Shotcut. But for now, that's just what it is. So I hope that helps. And that's pretty much it for this video.